Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. I am a student from Universitas Negeri Gorontalo. My name Nadia S. Haruna with name 5614240442. Majoring in Industrial Engineering, Faculty of Engineering, class of 2024. Here, I will present the article with the title Dynamic System Model of Rice Commodity Availability for Increasing the Needs of the Society of Balikpapan City. Subtitle Increasing Needs of the People of Balikpapan City. Author Bayunur Abdallah, Sekar Jayanti, Christopher Davito Prabandeva Hertadi, Institution Kalimantan Institute of Technology, date December 2024. Table of Contents, Title, Abstract, Introduction, Methods, Findings and Discussions, Conclusion and Suggestion. Abstract. The city of Balikpapan is facing a potential rice shortage due to an increase in population triggered by births, immigration, and discourse on capital transmission. Rice consumption per person reaches 0.1146 tons year. This research used casual loop diagrams and stock diagrams to ensure rice availability. The result produced two scenarios to overcome the problem, with the selected scenario being increased procurement and distribution of rice from buy-in distributors. The main objective is to ensure food availability in Balikpapan City in the face of dynamic population growth. Introduction. Dependence on rice from other regions, Sulawesi, East Java, Balikpapan City is very dependent on rice supplies from other regions such as Sulawesi and East Java. This is caused by low local rice production, which is unable to meet the increasing needs of the community. This dependence creates risks in rice availability, especially when there is disruption in the supply chain from producing a rice. Limited agricultural land, 32 hectares. With only 32 hectares of agricultural land, Balikpapan faces big challenge in production rice independently. This limited land produces around 398 tons of rice per year, which only covers less than 1% of the city's total needs. In addition, agricultural systems that depend on rainfall produce unstable crop yields. Challenge in meeting food security needs, limited land and dependence on external supplies result in serious challenge in maintaining food security in Balikpapan. With the population increasing and rice consumption per person reaching 0.1146 tons per year, it is difficult to ensure the availability of sufficient rice for the entire population. Therefore, a solution strategy is needed to increase local production and improve the distribution system so that food needs can be better met. Next, methods, survey and conceptualization. The research began with a survey and preparation of a causal loop diagram (CLD) to map the relationship between factors of rice availability in Balikpapan. The relationship between variables can be positive. Adding one variable increase another variable negative. Adding one variable decrease another variable. Model formulation. The model is visualized using a stock and flow diagram (SFD), which is divided into three sub-models. Consumption population is affected by births, immigration, foreign workers, and death rates. Stock, bulk rice stock, markets and distributors, including distribution and procurement respectively. Rice production is influenced by rice field area, productivity, and land degradation. Certification and validation. Certification using Stella 9.1.3 software to ensure model logic matches actual conditions. Validation using the paired sample test, statistical test with SPSS to compare actual and simulated data. Model simulation. The model was simulated using Stella 9.3.1 to predict rice availability in Balikpapan from 2019 to 2039 in order to anticipate future needs. Next, findings and discussions. Certification and validation. Certification using Stella software to ensure model logic matches. Validation comparing actual data with simulation results using the paired sample test, statistical test. The results show the model is valid because there are no significant differences between the actual and simulated data. Analysis of model result. The consumption submodel shows that the need for rice is higher than the availability stock, so the system needs to be improved. The stock submodel shows great dependence on the lag in distributors. However, low distribution causes ineffectiveness. The production submodel shows low rice field productivity and limited land, so its contribution to rice stock is very small. Scenario development. Whose scenario were developed to increase rice availability? Scenario 1, increase bailout distribution by 50% and procurement by 10%. Scenario 2, increase distribution procurement by up to 70% and distribution by up to 60%. Result, scenario 2 is more effective because it increases direct distribution to the community, reduces stock losses, and increases rice availability on the market. Conclusion and suggestion. This research analyzes the availability of rice in Balikpapan City using the causal loop diagrams and stock and flow diagrams. The results show that rice availability needs to be increased to meet public demand. Three are three sub-models that influence price availability, namely consumption, which is influenced by population, production, which is related to rice productivity, and stock, which is influenced by the procurement and distribution of rice. Thus, findings argue the importance of strategies to increase rice availability in the area. Scenario 2 process increasing the procurement to 70% of distributor stock and distribution to 60% and 50% from the previous 20%. That aim is to facilitate distribution of rice directly to the public and control availability on the market. However, there needs to be a policy from the relevant agency to prevent fraud. This scenario is expected to help Balikpapan City maintain the availability of rice along with population growth. That, that is all for me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.